Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Notion with ChatGPT. This integration can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your daily workflows. We will explore the most effective and comprehensive method to link these powerful tools, ensuring seamless data flow and automated content generation. Understanding this connection is crucial for anyone looking to leverage artificial intelligence within their organizational system. Get ready to transform your digital workspace with smart automation. The most robust and versatile way to connect Notion and ChatGPT is through dedicated automation platforms. These powerful third-party tools serve as a crucial bridge, allowing seamless communication between your Notion databases and the advanced capabilities of ChatGPT. They eliminate the need for extensive coding, providing a user-friendly interface to set up intricate workflows. This method ensures your data flows smoothly, enabling intelligent automation across your projects and tasks with minimal effort. To set up this powerful connection, first select your preferred automation platform and establish an account. Next, you will securely link both your Notion workspace and your ChatGPT account within the platform's intuitive interface. The core of the integration involves defining specific triggers in Notion, such as a new database item, which then prompt an action in ChatGPT, like generating text. This process typically takes only a few minutes to configure, unlocking immediate automation benefits. Once connected, the practical applications are vast and incredibly beneficial. You can automate the generation of content, from blog post drafts to social media updates, directly within your Notion pages. Imagine instantly summarizing lengthy meeting notes or research documents, saving hours of manual effort. Furthermore, this integration can generate new task lists, brainstorm project ideas, or even draft email responses, all triggered by specific entries in your Notion databases. It truly transforms how you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.